Hey guys, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Vandanam. This is Shobana Veeramani. Welcome to my channel.
काश हमारा कोई खेत होता जहाँ पे हम सब्जी उगा सकते हैं, कुछ ऑर्गेनिक, कुछ नेचुरल। इस कोविड के टाइम पे बाहर सब्जी लेने जाने से भी डर लगता है, नहीं?
हाँ ना? I know. But wait, अगर सब्जी और fruits नहीं तो क्या हुआ? At least we can try to grow our own sprouts.
क्या सही में ऐसा हो सकता है?
जैसे कि green gram, black chana, white chana, कुछ भी we can sprout it. Interesting, right? Come, let's learn more. If you're looking for ways to make your meals more nutritious, this video is for you. Stay with me till the end of this video. To support my work, please like this content and subscribe to this channel and get notified whenever there is a new content. Please don't forget to click on this bell icon to get notified whenever there is a new content to this channel. Please continue to share this content with as many people as you know, because the time has come to know why we're doing what are we doing. Sprouting is a technique. It is being used by many countries in Asia, including India. In yogic culture, in yogic lifestyle, it is usually recommended to have a fistful of raw sprouted grams in everyday diet. Let's understand more on it. The key takeaways from this episode: knowing why sprouting is important, sprouting method and its benefits, sprouting chart and recipes. Do you know what are anti-nutrients? The anti-nutrients acts as seed's defense system against both bacterial infections and annoying external attacks like insects or animals that keeps trying to eat them as a meal. It's basically a protection system to keep pests and attacks away. The plant produces anti-nutrients to various degrees to protect itself. Can you believe it? The seed also has a defense mechanism to protect itself just like we humans. How intelligent nature is. So sometimes you may get allergic reactions if your skin or your gut is sensitive to it. Soaking of these grams or these seeds overnight is amazing technique to reduce anti-nutrients by 50%. Not enough, right? We need complete nutrients. What to do with 50% of it? So sprouting is a method. Sprouting. Sprouting is a practice of germinating seeds, thereby making them easier to digest and enabling your body to absorb the nutrients contained within them. Once sprouted, these seeds can be eaten raw or even cooked. Better to eat raw, because if you cook it, at least 50% of nutrients will be lost in the process of cooking. You can sprout anything from beans, legumes, grains, nuts and seeds. Sprouting method is very simple. It just takes few minutes of your time. I have tried sprouting green gram, methi, groundnut and white and black chana.
Me too.
It needs right temperature, damp air and right seed. You mean Panchabhuta? All 5 elements of life? Let me walk you through it, how it can be done it right. Primary step is to wash the seeds properly and keep them in a sprouting container or a damp cloth, and that's it. Your job is done. All you need to do now is wait and let the life to happen. So this is the result after 2 days. It has sprouted nicely. It's ready to eat. You can refrigerate it for 2 days and make a fresh batch once again. It's far more easy peasy way than buying from supermarket. Recipes for sprouts. Do you remember when we were kids? Our moms might have definitely fed us sattu, navadhaniyam kanji or kur. What is it? It is nothing but a powdered form of 9 sprouted nuts. right? And we did the same to our kids. Did you? I did the same to my kid. I definitely fed him the Navadhaniyam kanji. Then why did we stop eating it when we are this big? We are adults now and we don't have. Do you? It is best way to start your day with a glass of Sanjeevani, a health mix of 9 different grams. A secret way for a longer life. And that makes the breakfast for me and for my family. Eating a fistful of sprouted grams in your empty stomach is the best way to get the nutrition. Many varieties of sprout salads can be made. Believe me, sprouts can definitely fit in your favorite dish list. Have you heard of moong dal chaat? Let's learn how to do it. Join me. What if I tell you sprout salads can be your lunch or dinner? Fun charts too. There are hundreds of recipes of salads that can make your lunch or dinner. If not every day, you should at least try once in a week, and I do definitely recommend you to try it. Try it and let me know in the comments below what was your experience about it. We have already discussed about the benefits of horse gram and what happens if horse gram is sprouted. I will link the episode number 6 over here where I have discussed about the various benefits of horse gram. You can have a look later. I will link these amazing recipes of 100 different varieties of salads in the description below. Please have a look and do definitely try them out. The fun fact is, making the sprouting salad takes very few minutes in the kitchen and it's full of vitamins and nutrition. So what best can we expect? And kids love it too. If you have kids at home, do try them out. Making salads are the best way to be very creative about it. You can put as many ingredients as you want and make one very delicious and tangy and give it to them. They will enjoy it. My one does. Weight loss is biggest noise in mankind. Sprouts helps us in weight loss. It's a protein-rich food and it improves the immune system and blood circulation. And let's not forget about the eyesight. Do try them. Come, let's join hands together and grow our own sprouts in an apartment garden and make a healthy lifestyle. Let's take our health into our hands. I hope you include them in your dining plate. Making this video and reaching you guys makes a huge difference for me because I have come alive, so you do too. Namaskaram.